Success Academy online lecture. Today, the topic I'm going to discuss is the theory of consumer behavior. The theory of consumer behavior. This particular topic is a topic that affects every living individuals. So, in this particular topic, what the theory of consumer behavior is mainly all about is that this particular topic tries to offer explanation of how consumers decide that particular goods that they intend to buy, the amount and quantity they intend to buy the goods, and given the limitation that their budget has on these particular goods. So, under this particular topic, I'm going to discuss 1. Utility. 2. Types of utility. Types of utility. Then the third one I'm going to discuss is the concepts, or let me say basic concepts. Basic concept, you can call it basic concept or utility concepts. Utility concepts. Utility concepts. So the first one, utility. What do you mean by utility? Utility is the satisfaction that a consumer derives from the consumption of a particular commodity at a particular period of time. Yes, whenever a consumer consumes a particular commodity, satisfaction is usually derived. But take note of this. Utility can be seen as a relative term. Relative term in the sense that what a particular consumer consumes and satisfies him, another consumer may consume that particular commodity and may not satisfy him. So, in the real sense, utility can be said to have been derived when a consumer consumes a commodity and the consumer derives satisfaction. So the second aspect of this that I'm going to discuss is the types of utility. Under the types of utility, I'm going to discuss 3 types. Types of utility, types. I'm going to discuss form utility. I'm going to discuss place utility. And then I'm going to discuss time utility. Form utility. When we say form utility occurs when there is change in the form or structure of a particular commodity from its original source to a new source, probably by way of manufacturing, or let me say a kind of a transformation that occurs in the manufacturing industry. For instance, raw cotton in its initial source has no utility. What I'm saying in essence is that when we say raw cotton from the farm has no satisfaction to the what? To the consumer. So this raw cotton must be transformed to let's say clothing material. So once it is transformed to clothing material, satisfaction will be derived by the consumer. So the second one is place utility. Place utility is when a particular commodity is transferred or transported from a particular region where little or no satisfaction is derived to another region where utility will be derived. For instance, cattle is mainly reared in the northern part of Nigeria. So cattle is reared in the northern part of Nigeria where little or no utility is derived. But once this cattle is migrated from the northern part to the southern part of Nigeria, utility is usually derived. Then the last one is time utility. Time utility. So what time utility is all about is the satisfaction that a consumer derives from the consumption of a particular commodity given a specific period of time. So what this means is that, let me say for instance, some goods needs to be stored before satisfaction will be derived. So the third aspect of the lecture is utility concept. Utility concept. Under the utility concept, I'm going to discuss three utility concepts. I'm going to discuss three utility concepts. So the first one I'm going to discuss, one is total utility. Total utility. Then the second one I'm going to discuss is marginal utility. Marginal utility. Then the third one I'm going to discuss is, the third one, we have average utility. Total utility. Total utility is the total satisfaction that a consumer derives from the consumption of a particular commodity at a given period of time. So total utility, take note of this. The formula for calculating total utility is usually average utility, AU, multiplied by quantity consumed. Let me say quantity consumed. Quantity consumed. So the second one is marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility is the additional satisfaction that a consumer derives from the consumption of additional quantity of a particular commodity. What this is saying in essence is that total utility must have been achieved before extra quantity will be consumed. So the additional satisfaction that will be derived from the consumption of a particular commodity after total utility has been derived is known as a marginal utility. So in this sense, the formula for calculating marginal utility is change in total utility divided by change in quantity consumed. Change in quantity consumed. Change in quantity consumed. And the third one is average utility. Average utility is also very simple and straightforward. So average utility has to do with the utility derived per consumption of a particular commodity. That is, the utility that a consumer derives by consuming a commodity on average. That is utility derived per consumption of a commodity is average utility. And take note of this. Average utility has its formula to be total utility divided by quantity consumed. Quantity consumed. So graphically, total utility as is graph to be something of this nature. Why? Call it this. We can call this X. I think this one is a little bit small. Can call this X. O. Units of utility. Unit of utility. Then we can say quantity. Let me just write this. Quantity of commodity. Commodity consumed. Consumed. Quantity of commodity consumed. This is what? This is total utility. This is total utility. This is total utility. Total utility. Total utility. So the second one, this is total utility. It's total utility. The second one, marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. Quantity of commodity consumed. Commodity consumed. Consumed. This is commodity X. This is commodity Y. Unit of utility. Unit of utility. Then this one can be something like this. Yes. This one can be something like this. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. Marginal utility. And the third, marginal utility. And the last one, which is average utility. Average utility. Average utility. Average utility. Average utility. Y. Unit of utility. Utility. Unit of utility. Quantity of commodity consumed. Of commodity consumed. Consumed. Commodity X. Quantity of commodity consumed. Then we can now have this to be something like this. Yes, average utility. Average utility. So this comes to the end of this particular lecture. I believe you will enjoy this aspect of the lecture. In my next lecture, I'm going to move a step ahead from where I stopped. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.